Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add image in the background of the file explorer of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the file explorer. So this is the file explorer, so we don't have any option to add an image in the background of this file explorer. So for this what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search, search for one application name as Explorer tool. On the first list you will see its developer website, just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases, just click on it. And here you can see here release into 64fix.zip. You need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we'll see here tons of files, right? So here you can see one folder named as image. By default you will get one image pre-included in this folder. So if you want to change this image, then you can just delete it and you can copy and paste on the respective folder of this extracted folder. So I'll add my custom wallpaper here. So now you can see here config file, just double click on it. And here you need to do some changes in the values. So I'll be leaving all the options on the computer screen as you can see. So select the respective options in order to do some changes here. So I'll select the zoom in field. So for the zoom in field I need to change some values here. Instead of this 3 I'll put 6, and instead of IMG alpha 255 I will change it to 140 since I want it to zoom in field. So if you want in the bottom right or the center, then you need to change the post type values. So once you're done, just click on the file, click on save. Now you can close this window. Now you can see here one file with the name register, right? Just right mouse click on it, and now just select this run as administrator. Click on OK. Now press any key on your computer keyboard. Now you can close this file explorer. Now let us reopen the file explorer. Voila, now you can see we have finally add image in the background of the file explorer of Windows computer. So if you open any drive or folder or file, still this image will be present. So if I close it and if I reopen it also, it will still be there. So if you want to restore it back, then just move back to the same folder. And now you'll see here one file uninstalled. Just right mouse click on it, click on run as administrator, click on OK. Press any key on your computer keyboard. Now let us reopen the file explorer. Now finally we have restored back to the default. So by using this application named as Explorer tool, you can easily add image in the background of the file explorer of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.